Okay, so here's the belt, here's the tensioner, here's an idler pulley. I'm going to insert an Allen screw here to release tension off the belt, and then I'm going to remove the timing belt. Okay, what we do here is we take a hex wrench and I just rotate it, and now that releases tension off the belt. And I can safely remove the belt. Okay, so now I'm going to remove this idler pulley right here because we're replacing that. I like breaking stuff loose with hand, then I'll get the electric to get it the rest of the way off. Okay, so we got a new pulley and a new bolt. I'm going to get it started, and then I'm going to look up the factory torque spec. We're going to torque that to factory spec because it's mission critical with timing components that everything get torqued properly. Okay, the torque spec is 15 foot-pounds and then 135 degrees. Okay, yep, 15.2, that's good enough. Now let's set this thing to degrees. So they want it torqued 120 degrees and then an additional 15. Okay. Okay, we got that one at factory spec, and then we're going to do the same thing for the timing belt tensioner right there.